Hello, this is Eugene Mays, and welcome again to the Upside of Retirement. We're going to begin with up number 1 now, and it's called snoring. The wonderful thing about snoring in retirement is that you no longer have to elbow your sleeping partner in the back to get her to stop snoring because you have to be at work early in the morning. Instead, you can hold her in your arms and listen as she gently purrs in your ear. Even if you are not retired, you should try this. We all know that hugging reduces stress, so why lie there in bed, dreading the day that is coming, when you can take just a moment to give her a hug and thereby reduce both of your stress levels? By the way, I have discovered that holding her in a different position lowers the decibel level of her snoring. And besides that, and you should already know this, wrapping her in your arms any time of day has certain return benefits, even for retirees. Ugh, the young folks bemoan. Anyway, the point is, don't wait until retirement to lose sleep for the right reason. Now, if you're not married or don't have a snoring partner, you may proceed to up number 2. Idle hands are not the devil's workshop. I'll see you there. Thank you.